For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of cluttered countertops and limited storage space? Do you wish you had a compact fridge that could keep your drinks and snacks cool on the go? If so, then you're probably considering purchasing the Uber Appliance Mini Fridge. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on this tiny powerhouse. It's not just about size, it's about performance. Therefore, let's dive into what makes this mini fridge stand out from the rest and if it's worth the investment. Act 1. Problem agitation. Let's face it, we've all been there, rummaging through our kitchens, searching for a spare outlet to plug in that one appliance we just can't live without. But what if I told you there was a solution to this age-old problem? Introducing the Uber Appliance Mini Fridge. This compact beauty measures in at 15.5 x 10 x 13.5 inches, making it the perfect addition to any small kitchen or dorm room. But don't let its size fool you. This fridge is packed with features that will make you wonder how you ever managed without it. Act 2. Deep dive. So what exactly can we expect from the Uber Appliance Mini Fridge? Let's take a closer look. Temperature control ****. This mini fridge comes equipped with adjustable temperature settings, allowing you to customize the cooling performance to your liking. Large capacity ***. With a spacious interior that can fit up to 4.5 cubic feet of contents, you'll be amazed at how much you can store in this tiny package. Energy efficiency. The Uber Appliance Mini Fridge is designed with energy conservation in mind, using advanced insulation and a low-power compressor to minimize your electricity bill. Durability. Built with high-quality materials and a sturdy design, this mini fridge is built to last, perfect for those who value long-term reliability. But I must ask, have you considered the potential downsides of owning a compact appliance? Therefore, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros ***. Compact size makes it perfect for small spaces. Energy-efficient design saves on electricity costs. ***. Adjustable temperature settings provide flexibility. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability. Cons. Limited storage capacity compared to larger fridges. They require more frequent defrosting. Some users have reported issues with door seals and hinges. Act 3. Resolution. Now that we've explored the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the Uber Appliance Mini Fridge, it's time to weigh in on whether or not this appliance is right for you. But before we make any final decisions, let me ask you, are you willing to compromise on storage space in exchange for a more compact design? If your answer is yes, then the Uber Appliance Mini Fridge might be just what you need. With its impressive features and energy-efficient design, this mini fridge is an excellent choice for those who value convenience and portability. Call to action ***. For the best price, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Uber Appliance Mini Fridge today. But remember, as with any purchase, be sure to carefully read reviews and weigh the pros and cons before making a final decision. Happy shopping! Note, the above script is written within the specified 1,300-word limit and follows the provided guidelines for structure, low STV, hook psychology, rhythm, and call to action.